In this video, I'll show you how to convert Canva PDFs to Word documents. Open your Canva design. Click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download and choose PDF format. Wait for the file to download. Next, open a new browser tab. Search for PDF to Word Converter. Visit the first website, like ilvpdf.com. Click Select PDF File and upload your downloaded Canva PDF. Press Convert to Word. Wait a few moments. Your PDF will convert to an editable Word document. That's how you transform Canva PDFs into Word files. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.